Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights disappeared. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you could do here to probably fix this issue. One of them is to basically update the app itself. Sometimes not having the updated version can affect your profile or the actual view of your Instagram, because sometimes some features will be missing. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to look for Instagram. Now, in this case, if you see any update button next to Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then once you've clicked on it, you want to wait for the update to complete. And once it's updated, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache. Now, in this case, you want to look for the Instagram mobile app here. Press and hold on it. Click on App Info. From here, click on Clear Data at the bottom right. And from here, click on Clear Cache and OK. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to restart your mobile phone. So go ahead and hold and press on your power button. And from here, you want to click on reboot or power off. In this case, once you've opened up your device here, go ahead and open up Instagram and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those actually solves the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to report this issue to through Instagram support. In this case, you want to go to your profile at the bottom right. And from here, you want to go to the top right of your screen, which is the 3-bar icon. In this case, you want to go to the very bottom here until you see this section that says help. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, go ahead and click on report a problem. And from here, it's going to say you could go back and check your phone. In this case, you could go ahead and go back into the previous page here, go to your profile. And what you need to do is you just need to basically shake your phone. In this case, go ahead and click on report problem here. And from here, you can go and click on include and continue. And from here, you want to explain that your highlights are not appearing on your profile, or your highlights disappeared on your profile. Now, in this case, you go and click on send at the top right once you've explained your current situation, and they will be able to assist you regarding this problem. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.